Good news for all senior citizens. The expanded Centenarian Act, Republic Act 11982, was signed into law on February 26, 2024 and took effect on March 17, 2024. The law provides cash grant to senior citizens who reach the ages of 80, 85, 90, and 95. It also gives a one-time cash gift of 100,000 to Centenarian. The National Commission of Senior Citizens, or NCSC, has streamlined the application process and accepts secondary IDs for verification. The NCSC has established the Elderly Data Management System, or EDMS, a centralized database to manage senior citizen information. The NCSC has funding from the Department of Budget and Management from January 1, 2025 to December 31, 2025. Seniors who reach the ages of 80, 85, 90, or 95 between March 17, 2024 and December 31, 2024 are on a wait list. The NCSC has application forms and other related documents available for download. National Commission of Senior Citizens, or NCSC Officer in Charge, Dr. Mary Jean P. Loreche, explained that additional incentives are now available for seniors under the expanded Centenarian Act, which now provides 10,000 pesos for senior citizens who reach a milestone age. Loreche said, meron tayong tinatawag kasi na programa ng gobyerno na naging batas at ito ay nalagdaan ng Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. last year, nitong March 17, 2024, at heto nga pinalawak at pinalawig yung ating tinatawag na Centenarian Cash Gift, Loreche said during the Information at Action sa Bagong Pilipinas Teleradyo Program. Sa Centenarian kasi dati, pag umabot ng 100 years old, tatanggap ikaw ng 100,000 pesos. Sa bagong batas, in the expanded Centenarian dito sa ating 11982, nakasaad, pag ikaw ay dumating sa edad na 80, 85, 90, 95, ikaw po ay tatanggap ng 10,000. Loreche added. Loreche said funding from the Department of Budget and Management for the NCSC is available from January 1, 2025 to December 31, 2025.